guys, we are going to install Visual Studio Code, Miniconda and Django in Windows 10 for web development purpose. First, we are going to install Visual Studio Code, so we are going to perform a Google search. We are going to write Visual Studio Code. And we are going to click on download link. Okay, at this page we have to select the operating system. I am selecting Windows, but you can choose Mac or Linux depending on the operating system you have installed. While the downloading is running, we are going to search for Miniconda. So let's write Miniconda. In the result, click on Miniconda dash Conda documentation link. Okay. This page, scroll down to Windows Installer section and then click on Python 3.9 here. Okay, this one. Okay, so we have two downloads running right now. Okay, we have the download complete, so we are going to install the Visual Studio Code. Double click on the installer file. Okay, we have to accept the terms and conditions, the installation directory. Okay, this is an important setting. Add Visual Studio Code in contextual menu. It is a very useful tool to have this set up. So we are going to check all the options here, clicking on at this screen. Okay. Okay, we are going not to run Visual Studio Code right now, so uncheck this, and we are going to install Miniconda instead. So double click on installation file, click on next. Okay, select for actual Windows user. Okay, here is another important setting that we have to take into account. Click on this option to run Miniconda from anywhere, adding to the environment variable. So, okay, this take a few moments to get finished. Okay, it is complete. Next, and click these two options and close this window. Okay, we are going to open a Miniconda console. So write Miniconda over the search box, then select Anaconda prompt running as administrator. Okay, in this console we are going to create a virtual environment in order to install the Django. As you can see, this indicates that the default environment call base is active. Virtual environment, allow us to work with different versions of Python package. So we are going to run this command, conda create dash n, then the name of the virtual environment followed by Python version, and then press enter key. Okay, the following package will be installed. Now type yes and press enter key to confirm. Okay, now we are going to activate the virtual environment that we create with this command. Conda activate and the name of the virtual environment and press key. As you can see here, the active virtual environment changed from the default one to the one that we create. Okay, last step, we are going to install the Django. In order to do that, we have to type the following command: pip install the Django equal 3.2. Okay, finally we have installed the Django. So to check that, we can run this command pip list to see all the package installed in the virtual environment.